I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to manage your contact info as it pertains to how Autofill uses it on Safari on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up our Settings app. Then scroll all the way down to Apps, open that, and then use the slider on the right to go to the S section and select Safari Settings. Then we'll scroll down to the section that is titled General, and then we'll select Autofill. Now in this section, you want this top toggle for Use Contact Info to be green. And then in My Info, you can tap that. It will pull up contacts, and you will select your contact card to have it pull all of that info for you. You will now need to go to your contacts and basically to your contact profile and add all of the info, including your name and phone number and email and address and everything that you want Safari to autofill for you. Once you do that, you're all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.